A relentless winter storm is crushing the United States, burying cities under record snowfall, snapping trees, and cutting power for millions. From New York to Tennessee and Louisiana, this is not just a storm, it's a battle for survival. Stay inside, stay safe, and watch as we break down the full impact of this historic snow disaster. A massive winter storm is sweeping across the United States, bringing record-breaking snowfall, freezing temperatures, and widespread disruption. Millions of residents are struggling to cope with the relentless forces of nature, as streets are buried under thick layers of snow, power lines snap, and emergency services are stretched to their limits. From New York to Tennessee and Louisiana, this is not just another weather event. It is a severe test of resilience for entire communities. In New York, neighborhoods are blanketed under heavy snow, creating treacherous conditions for travel and daily life. Major highways and local roads have become nearly impassable, prompting authorities to issue travel bans and emergency alerts. Public transportation is disrupted, flights are delayed or canceled, and parts of the Hudson River have frozen over. Snow and ice make even short trips dangerous. Residents are urged to stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and prepare for ongoing extreme cold. Emergency crews are working non-stop to keep roads clear and restore essential services. Meanwhile, Tennessee faces its own winter challenges. Heavy snow and ice accumulation across northern and central regions have caused hazardous roads, school closures, and business disruptions. The storm's power has led to broken tree branches and downed power lines, leaving thousands without electricity. Emergency crews remain on high alert, clearing debris and restoring power while ensuring residents stay safe. Local authorities emphasize that even brief exposure outdoors can be life-threatening. Louisiana, a state not typically known for harsh winters, has also been severely impacted. Freezing rain and ice in northern Louisiana have left roads slick and dangerous. Many trees have snapped under the weight of snow and ice, blocking streets and damaging property. Power outages have been reported in multiple areas, forcing residents to take extreme precautions. Emergency teams are actively clearing debris and monitoring vulnerable locations to prevent accidents. Officials are warning residents to remain indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. The dangers extend far beyond blocked roads and power outages. Temperatures have plunged, creating extreme wind chills. Even short exposure to the cold can result in frostbite or hypothermia, especially for children, the elderly, and those without adequate heating. Public safety agencies continue to stress the importance of staying inside, dressing warmly, and keeping updated with official alerts. The storm's economic and structural impact is significant. Transportation networks are strained, businesses disrupted, and emergency services stretched thin. Snowplows and cleanup crews face constant challenges as snow continues to accumulate. Downed trees, damaged power lines, and weakened infrastructure highlight how vulnerable human systems are to extreme weather. Communities must remain vigilant as conditions evolve and new hazards emerge. Authorities warn that even after the snowfall ends, dangers will persist. Ice-laden trees may collapse, roads will remain slippery, and power outages can continue for days. Residents are encouraged to check on neighbors, especially the elderly or vulnerable, to ensure their safety. The storm is a stark reminder that preparation and caution are essential for survival during extreme winter events. Meteorologists explain that the storm is caused by a combination of Arctic air, atmospheric disturbances, and moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. These elements have merged to create a prolonged, intense, and dangerous winter system. While storms of this magnitude are rare, preparation and vigilance are crucial to minimize risks and protect lives. Despite the challenges, communities are responding effectively. Emergency crews, local authorities, and volunteers are coordinating to clear roads, assist stranded individuals, and restore power. Real-time updates through social media and news outlets help residents stay informed about hazards and recovery efforts. These collective actions highlight the importance of resilience, preparedness, and responsible behavior during extreme weather events. For residents and travelers, this storm is a critical reminder of nature's power. Awareness, caution, and preparation can save lives. Stocking up on essentials, avoiding travel during dangerous conditions, and following official guidance can significantly reduce risk. The storm also emphasizes the fragility of infrastructure and the importance of community coordination during emergencies. This winter storm has disrupted daily life across multiple states, demonstrating the far-reaching impacts of extreme weather. New York, Tennessee, and Louisiana have faced unique challenges, from frozen rivers and blocked highways to downed trees and widespread power outages. The storm underscores the fact that natural events can escalate rapidly, and proactive measures are necessary to protect lives and property. The ongoing storm highlights human vulnerability. Heavy snow, ice accumulation, and downed trees are widespread threats. By staying informed, following safety advisories, and preparing ahead of time, residents can navigate these extreme conditions safely. Communities that act responsibly and remain vigilant are better equipped to handle the ongoing crisis. Authorities caution that conditions could worsen. Even if snowfall decreases, the accumulated snow and ice create lasting hazards. Trees weakened by ice may collapse, and roads will remain treacherous for days. Power outages can continue, leaving communities without heat, light, or communication. Residents are encouraged to help neighbors, particularly those at risk, to ensure overall community safety. In New York, Tennessee, and Louisiana, the storm is reshaping life as people know it. Frozen rivers, snow-blocked roads, and downed trees are creating unprecedented challenges. Emergency response teams are testing their limits to keep people safe. The storm serves as a real-world lesson in the power of nature and the importance of readiness. In conclusion, this historic winter storm is more than just a weather event. It is a severe test of infrastructure, preparedness, and resilience. Heavy snow, downed trees, blocked roads, and power outages illustrate the challenges posed by extreme weather. Residents are urged to stay informed, follow safety advisories, and prepare in advance. Subscribe to this channel for reality-based weather updates, emergency alerts, and practical guidance as this storm continues to affect millions across the United States. Remember, awareness, caution, and preparedness can save lives. Stay safe, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of nature.